Alright, Volcano EPX Pro Brushless Edition Speed Run. Everything is stock as far as the motor and the gearing and stuff. I got a couple of aluminum upgrades on it though. Got aluminum chassis. Got my knuckles and stuff. I want this thing to reset to 0. Reset. Trying to hold this with one hand. There we go. Alright. 0 it out. See what we can get them up to. Alright, check it out. Do a couple passes real quick. Ah, see, the GPS done fell off. Let's restart that. Hold on. Interesting, just that little bit before the GPS fell off, it got up to 16 miles an hour. Let's reset them. Alright, hold on a minute. Alright, I got it on there. I put it underneath the body. I'll do a couple passes first. Alright. Do a couple passes. Can't get no good passes and keep being in the way.
That's your speed run?
Alright. Do one more coming back and find out what it's looking like. Thought I was gonna hit him. We'll do one more. I lost?
Yep, because I won.
Oh, okay. Can't do no successful speed run when you got kids. They want to be in the way too.
Yeah, I want to go! Daddy trying to win.
Alright, let's find out what we looking like.
Daddy.
What's up, dude? What's up?
My leg is harder.
Your leg hurt?
Yep.
What's wrong with it?
I don't know. When I drive my shoes, keep pulling. I drive my shoe. Everything's there. Keep pulling.
Alright, let's find out what we got here.
I won. Woo! Look at this right there. Ever, you want to race me? No.
32. I don't know if you can see that. 32 miles an hour.
Start your edges.
And that's stock.